Welcome back to another video. For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix the problem games not opening on Windows 11 operating system. First thing to do is to click on the Windows logo or the Start logo on your computer, which is located below, and then search for Registry Editor. Now choose Run as Administrator. Select Yes on the pop-up window. Then it will now open the Registry Editor. Before you proceed to registry, it's recommended that you create a backup, so if anything goes wrong, you could easily restore it back. Now here, it will show files. Simply expand this file, and then look for the file name .exe and click on it. On the side, right-click on the default file and choose Modify. Now here, make sure that the value data is named exefile. Now click on OK. Now go back and look for the file name exefile. Then open it. Now on the side, right-click on the default file. Then select Modify. In here, change the value data to Application. Then go back to exefile. Then expand it. Under it, expand again the file name shell, and it will show the folder name Open. Next is Open it. Now on the side, right-click on Default and select Modify. Here, make sure that the value data is empty. If it has a data, simply remove it. After that, restart your computer, and that should fix the problem. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.